Morning, everybody. Welcome back to my crazy big black family, guys, on YouTube. And if you're new on this channel, guys, hey, good morning, guys. So before I went to Virginia, I said I'm gonna start, trying to walk every day, get a little bit of morning exercise, get some cardio in so that I can take care of my body, take care of my health. I'll be 51 next month, so I figure I'll go take a walk every day. I see people doing it all the time that are older than me, and they do it. And then I always see like shows or news reports about people that live to be like 100 years old, 107, this and that. And they always be like, well, what was your what is your secret? Why were you able to live this long and this and that? And they always be like, well, I try not to stress over the little things, and I try to just like exercise or take a walk every now and then. So that's what I'm doing. I even got my daughter, she got up, her and her boyfriend, they're gonna go walk too. And I gotta be honest with you, it feels good. Be stretching my legs. See, that's why you gotta do it. Because the body sleeps and the bones sleep just like everybody, just like you sleep. So what do we have to do when they go to sleep? We gotta wake them up. So I'm doing a little waking up my bones. Trying to put my earring on too. I was also trying to put my earring on, so yeah, but I'm doing a little waking up of my bones. Stretching my legs so I can get a little bit of motivating in there. And just trying to do some morning exercises, guys. I said I'm gonna try to do this at least, if not daily, I'm gonna try to do it at least several times a week, because it can't be bad to exercise. Look, I even got my daughter out there and she's exercising. Hey, Sean.
Hey, y'all.
Look, Sean's up. See? And if I was to point my camera, you could see there's other people who are walking on the bike path and stuff like that, so that they can get their exercise in too, guys. And that's what we're doing. I try to get my daughter Brianna out, but she's in there chilling right now. She said she'll go. She's like, I didn't know you were going right now. Yeah, I told her. I said I'm gonna do this. This way. I'm gonna go around. Nice bike. Yeah, I'm gonna just stretch my legs, guys, and I gotta be honest with you, it feels good to do it. Hold, Shanti, hold this a second. So I can just stretch my legs.
Hey, y'all. What's happening? It is, what's today? Friday.
TGIF.
TGIF.
Right.
Thank God it's Friday. Right. Praise the Lord. Early morning on a Friday. We out here, y'all, taking a nice early morning stroll. Yes. We out here. There's my man. Say hey, babe.
What's up? Good morning.
He said good morning, y'all. It is a good morning. Every day is a good day. Yes. That the Lord has woke us up today, gave us another chance to do right. Oh, Lord, I dropped something, y'all. But yes, the Lord gave us another day to do right. So that's what it is. We out here. So with that being said, we're starting off the day with a nice stroll, taking in the air, the good vibes, kicking the day off right.
Nice fresh air in your lungs.
Yes. So y'all get out there today and have yourselves a good day. Good vibes. Good vibes only.
Healthy vibes only.
Yeah, stay fit, y'all. Caption of the day, Friday, stay fit.
Yeah, hashtag stay fit. Traffic and stuff.
Yep.
All the truck drivers.
3 trucks in a row.
Yeah.
This is the view, y'all.
Yes.
Hudson, Massachusetts. Early morning on a Friday. Hold up, babe. She's getting her stretching. I hear you. This is how to prevent your bones from hurting, aching, feeling weak. Get that walk in. Get your stretch on. My man's be into them cars and them motorcycles. Comment down below if you can relate. Does your man's be into cars and motorcycles too? You like cars and motorcycles, huh, babe?
Yeah, it's pretty.
You're so cute.
Come fly with us.
Oh, yeah. Ma, wouldn't you want to do that aerobics thing up there? Yep. Come fly with
aerial
us.
yoga.
Yep.
Right in that building. Aerial yoga.
My mom keeps saying she would love to do that, guys.
Hey guys. See, I feel so good. I really do. I'm just getting my exercise on, honey. And it feels scrumptious. So now I'm just walking right back. I'm probably gonna try to do it again. What the heck? Why not? Why not walk around again, right? Because this is only gonna help. Health is wealth. So I figure I'll do like the folks do, especially when you get my age. Forget that. I'm not gonna sit here. That's why I take care of my skin and things like that, because I don't want to be messing my body and stuff up. So I try to stay fit as much as possible. I've been exercising since I was like, for over 40 years now. I'll be 51, so like 11, 12, like non-stop exercising, going to gyms, aerobics in my house, whatever. And I gotta say, at the age of 50, gotta say I look damn good. Look, got little muscles and everything, look. I used to even lift weights, guys. Try to take care of myself, not gonna lie. So, let me show you my neighborhood. So this is a nice little morning stroll through my neighborhood. Give y'all a nice little walk. Early morning walk and stroll for the cardio. Look at that. I don't even try sometimes. And some nice scenic for you guys. Right now, look at that sun. Let me give y'all a little, look at that sun, guys. The only way you can see this, look at the sun without being blinded is with the camera. So look at that, guys. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all. Look at the sun, guys. Have you ever seen the sun like that? That's a zoom in as much. I probably can zoom in more when I edit this video. But look at that, direct hit from the sun. Good morning, guys. Listen to all the birds chirping, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do it. Look at down there, I'll zoom in. There's a guy down there doing his walking, see? People wanna exercise, people wanna stay fit. They wanna take care of their bodies. Guys, it don't matter where you're from, where you live, who you are, you know, anybody can exercise. Everybody can get up and do a walk, you know, get out, motivate your heart, get a little bit of exercise and cardio. It doesn't really matter who you are. And while I'm doing it, I figured, why not vlog my journey? Look at another person. I'll zoom in for you for him. See what I mean, guys? Everybody's about their health and taking care of themselves. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna get a nice little walk in here. Doing construction, building houses over here. Not bad. These are newly put up houses. Oh, I like those, not bad. Let me zoom in for y'all. And they're for sale. Nice double garage, I like that. 2 doors, what is that? Oh, that's for each one. Okay, each one has their own garage. Nice. But yeah, guys, that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna just take a little stroll through my neighborhood and catch this early morning vibe, listen to the birds chirping, a walk through. I've been saying I was gonna do a walkthrough too for a while, so I'm doing all that. I'm doing my exercise and I'm doing a walkthrough so that I can get a nice little relaxation video for those who maybe need a nice little calm down in the woosah. 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 But that's what I'm doing, guys. Stroll through the suburbs. Suburban life. It's a vibe. Everybody's sleeping. Well, not really, because in the suburbs, everybody's up. I can't say that. People get up early in the morning. So I'm back on my street, and then I'm walking past my neighbors' houses. Catching a little vibe. Listen to the birds, guys. Look at the pretty trees. Zoom in and out for you guys. Listen to that. You hear that? Look at the... And look, I took a picture of the sun. Now I'm taking a picture of the moon. It's still up. Look at that, guys. How do you get that? You got the sun and the moon still at the same time. So, guys, I hope this video inspired you. I hope this walk inspired you. I hope you guys get inspired by this vlog and be like, you know what? I'm not doing that. Let me go for a walk today. Let me go stretch my legs today and make myself feel good today. And take care of my health today. And that's what I'm doing. Got an older gentleman out here working. With his work shirt on, his truck. See? Folks out early. And thank God I'm self-employed, so I'm always up and I always work. There's no clock stopping. There's always some taxes to make sure I pay, or some on my website to check, or hopefully an order to process. So the life of self-employment, running a business, especially as a black woman, it ain't easy. But thanks, guys. I'm back at the block. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.